To set single press S pen button for a voice recorder as record or pause in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, select S Pen, tap add actions, scroll down the screen, and then select voice recorder. Sorry, select voice recorder, and then tap single press menu. Select record or pause. Now single press S Pen button for some voice recorders that as record or pause. To use, open your voice recorder, very simple, and then press single press your S Pen button to record, and press again to pause. Press to start record, or press again to pause. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.